The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding on Thursday, the 9th of March 2023, with the School of Orthopaedic Cast Technology, Kano, in the areas of research and training to promote academic excellence. The partnership, which would also provide adequate clinical training services for science students of both institutions, was conducted at MAAUN campus located at Hotora GRA, Kano. Speaking at the occasion, the president of MAAUN, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, said as part of the agreement, MAAUN would provide further training for higher degrees for the graduates of SOCAST, which will be in the form of affiliation to the university. Professor Israr noted that when the MoU is implemented, students of the partner institutions would have free access to the medical facilities of each institution for their clinical training and research undertakings. He said as part of its effort to promote healthcare delivery in the country, the university would establish a postgraduate training department for the graduate of SOCAST in order to enrich and broaden their future career for effective service delivery. While stressing the importance of the partnership, Professor Israr expressed the readiness of MAAUN to ensure the full implementation of the MoU for the benefits of students, faculty, and entire members of the society.
Development a system of effectively put in place research training opportunity in area of orthopedic technology in the university, and the last, to convert the higher national diploma certificate into a Bachelor of Scientific program.
In his remarks, the provost of SOCAST, Mr. Thomas Matthew Oshimana, who expressed delight for the warm reception accorded them, said the collaboration became expedient in view of the growing need for their students to further their education beyond diploma and HND levels. Mr. Oshimana, who made a brief presentation about his institution, said Dala Orthopaedic is the oldest and first of its kind in Nigeria to be established in Kano in the late 50s for the purpose of providing orthopedic and trauma care in northern Nigeria.
In our usual advice and usual desire for training students at the next level, we have said good. We are training students for diploma, not higher diploma. What's the next level of this training? I will decide to start looking forward to some both private and government-owned universities where we can collaborate with them so that we can now advance the training of this university. Later I was looking to Maryam Abacha University on the 20th of October 2022, and we thank God recently the president in his honor accepted our offer and gave us the desire and the go ahead to organize or provide the level of understanding.
Earlier in his speech, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, emphasized the need for the partnership, saying School of Orthopaedic shares some similarities with MAAUN, as the college has a long history of excellence in areas of research and development. He expressed optimism that when the MoU is materialized, it will promote research, innovation, and healthcare development, thereby uplifting the two institutions to greater heights. Dr. Awais, who described education as the backbone of development, noted that with the provision of quality and affordable education, issues bedeaving Africa, such as the lingering and pervasive poverty, can easily be addressed. He commended the founder and chairman governing council of MAAUN, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, for his strong passion for education, research, and human development. Also speaking, the head of research, education, and training, SOCAST, Dr. Nasir Musa Tahir, expressed satisfaction that the state-of-the-art facilities put in place in MAAUN merits the name of the university by whatever standard. Dr. Tahir also disclosed that the SOCAST is not restricted to providing orthopedic services only, but expanded to offer other services, as they currently have radiologists, family medicine, family physicians, gynecologists, and pediatricians, among others. He expressed the readiness of the college to ensure effective implementation of the MoU, especially in identified areas for the benefits of both students and staff of the two institutions. In his word of thanks, the head of the International Office, MAAUN, Engineer Bashir Garba, who thanked the participants for their time and commitment in ensuring that the partnership becomes a reality, also prayed for a successful implementation of the MoU. Other members of staff present during the MoU include the Admission Office SOCAST and Nouri A. Hussein, Education Officer SOCAST Farida Shitu, Ibrahim, and Hayatuddin M. Abdullah from Corporate Commissions and Protocol Unit of MAAUN.